was forever, ever holding, never mind. Oh,
Hello, I welcome you all to Soul Stereo. कैसे हैं आप लोग? So I'm here to do the reading for my water signs. Water signs, I love you. My Cancer, my Pisces, my Scorpio. You guys are watching the channel The Maximum, Libra, Taurus, Capricorns. Of course, you guys as well. And और लोग भी देख रहे हैं, so शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत. My entire info is in the description box. Please have a look. And अब हम करने वाले हैं आपकी upcoming June reading as to love reading as to what is June bringing in. June 2021 क्या लेके आने वाला है. So there is no clock in the universe. Keep that in mind. So जब भी टाइटल आपको अट्रैक्ट करता है, there is always something in this reading for you. And I will only offer you readings that are genuine. ठीक है, मैं मैनिपुलेट करके घुमा फिरा के ऐसे वैसे करके नहीं देने वाली. ठीक है. And so you know when I was starting, it was about you feeling very happy. So it was मैं happy हूँ. That was the kind of vibe I had for my water signs. And you know, although the Mercury is going retrograde and Saturn is running that way, still I feel that you're voicing it out. आप बोल रहे हैं जो आपको कहना है, आप कर रहे हैं जो आपको करना है. So we're going to use a Moonology deck जिससे हम आपका मून ऑरेकल निकालते हैं. ठीक है. और फिर हम राइडर वेट से आपका टेरो पुल करेंगे और फिर क्वेरन से आई एम गोना क्लैरिफाई दिस रीडिंग. आप टाइम स्टैम्प रहिए, आप सीधे अपनी रीडिंग पर भी जा सकते हैं अगर आपको जाना है. देयर आस्किंग मी टू शफल, सो आई एम डूइंग दैट. ठीक है. Blueberry Michael Shannon, what do I need to see for my water signs? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio के लिए क्या मैसेजेस हैं? तेरी ओर हाय रब्बा, तेरी ओर. You know, some of you, many of you, I think in my soul tribe, there are a lot of people, you know, who are water sign that I'm dealing with. You guys are in real fields, okay, and you some of you really found your soulmate and your twin flame, and also some of you are feeling very secure by yourself as well. आप लोग अपने आप में बहुत खुश हैं, you know, so that's a wonderful thing. They've asked me to stop. Show me the messages for the water signs. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Michael, show me the message. We need to see Blueberry. What do we need to see, Blueberry? And with the full moon lunar eclipse that has happened now, that has really brought about that little thing going in you, because it has brought that element in you up. So it's be bold and make the first move. That is what we have for you as a Moonology oracle. ठीक है. So I'm going to explain this to you after I pull your love spread. हम अब आपका love spread pull कर रहे हैं from the Rider-Waite. Okay. So जो भी आपको, जिनके बारे में भी आप सोच रहे हैं, जिनके साथ आप रिलेशनशिप में, could be singles who are dating, you know, could be you're asking about your girlfriend or your boyfriend, could be about you know, a committed relationship. आप अगर उसमें हैं, married हैं, either which way, जैसे भी आप इसको देखना चाहें, जिनके बारे में जिस सोच कर आप ये रीडिंग देख रहे हैं. Let's see. They're saying be bold and make the first move. ये तो बेस लाइन है ही, राइट. सो एज आई सेड, तेरी ओर, दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दिस इज टेलिंग मी. वाटर साइन. They've asked me to stop. I can show me the message, Blueberry, that I need to see for my water signs. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio के लिए. Someone loves to wear Indian outfits, is it? सोल ट्राइब में आई थिंक कुछ लोग हैं जिनको इंडियन आउटफिट्स पहनना बहुत पसंद है आजकल. द फ्लेवर इज़ ऑन समहाउ, या जिनके बारे में आप सोच रहे हैं वो आपको इंडियन आउटफिट्स में देखकर बहुत खुश होते हैं. सो आई डोंट नो, लेट्स सी. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, what do we need to see for June 2021 upcoming? So we have the Page of Pentacles, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Wow. चांद सिफारिश जो करता तुम्हारी बेदा मैं सबको बता. I think the masculine energy is like, उसको ये लगता है कि आपसे बेहतर तो कोई उन्हें मिल ही नहीं सकता. That is तो पक्का. And with the King of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio बहुत फील्ड्स में है, बहुत फील्ड्स में है. We're coming in, maybe there's because of COVID times that we are in, the situations we are in, हो सकता है बात कम हो रही हो या मिलना कम हो रहा हो, but that's exactly what they're saying. Don't worry, with Three of Pentacles, that's what they're saying, that they want to come, they are in the fields, but it's just that they're holding themselves back, या आप अपने आप को you're holding yourself back. There's that possibility also. So I'll clarify that to you in a minute. वो मैं definitely आपको clear करूँगी. पहले we're going to talk about be bold and make the first move. It's a cardinal kind of card, ठीक है. So पहले हम इसको clarify करते हैं. So let me just clarify this for you. Be bold and make the first move. So this is like a cardinal moon. So of course we're talking about a little change also. It's about being bold. It's about being classy. It's about being in control. They're asking you to take control. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, take control. If you have not taken control as of now, please take control, because that is what they're asking you to do right now. और वो करना I think बहुत ज़रूरी है, because अगर आप वो अभी नहीं करेंगे तो बहुत of course late हो जाएगा. Don't think कि COVID है and this and that and whatever. अगर उन्होंने कॉल नहीं किया या उन्होंने मैसेज नहीं किया है, so I think you should call them up or you should message them and tell them exactly how you're feeling, because that would really determine कि ये पेज ऑफ पेंटिकल जो है ये 10 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स तक कैसे पहुंचेगा, राइट. वो तभी पहुंच पाएगा जब someone will make that move, because this is a good relationship, a good situation going around. There's nothing wrong in it really, right? And you both feel strongly for each other, and you know that whatever is happening is not in your hands. It's not in your control. With the Three of Pentacles here, it's not in your control, because the times are such, you can't do much about it. And the strong message which is coming around is that you both feel it. You both feel that with the King of Cups. You both feel it, and you both understand कि यार हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, we can't do much about it. But yeah, what all you can do is that you can try and stay in touch. You can try and message each other more, talk to each other more. Today now with video calls and everything, it's become a little easy. I sense for some in the soul tribe, that there's some kind of, there's less communication happening. So please talk more, because Mercury has gone retrograde. So things are going to, be a little different. कुछ ऊपर नीचे definitely होगा. But be in control. You have to take charge of your destiny. If you want these 10 of Pentacles and you want this King of Cups here, you have to take control so that you can go forward, because it's perfect. It seems perfect. It's about coming into your power, realizing that there's nothing which is not workable. अगर हम चाहें तो we can make these things work in our favor. And it's high time that you need to I think you should seek help from Ganesha, which is the Lord. It's a deity. Hindus में जो Indians हैं, Asians हैं, they would know. A lot of people in the world now know about Lord Ganesha, the elephant, right? वो विघ्न हरता है. He is the one, right? And also I have it on my altar. So pray to Ganesha to take away all the obstacles. And if there's some sort of misunderstanding which is kind of going, I'm going to clarify that with the Page of Pentacles. वो क्या है वो हम करते हैं अभी क्लियर. लेकिन it's about taking control and sorting things out. जो नहीं समझ आ रहा है ना, जो आपको लग रहा है कि there's little lack and there's little lapse, वो आप क्लियर कर सकते हैं. Let me just fix it a little more. Yeah. So आप वो क्लियर कर सकते हैं, and you can have a amazing ride. So you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Very strong earth energy there is that I see, and you are in the fields really, okay. And cardinal signs are like Aries, Cancer, Libra, Capricorn. So could be those signs आपके भी हो सकते हैं, right? So it's just how the astrological cycle works. So whatever is holding you back, now they're telling you to take a step forward. Do not sit down quietly and say, oh, हो जाएगा. Don't do that. Just don't do that, okay? And no matter whenever you see this reading, let me just tell you, and those who are watching it, जो resonate करते हैं, अपना sun moon rising देख लीजिएगा, because मैं वैदिक और वेस्टर्न दोनों में डैबल करती हूँ क्लियर पिक्चर के लिए. तो आपको ये स्ट्रॉन्ग एडवाइस है to take the lead with this spread, okay? Don't just sit on it and say ठीक है ना, हो जाएगा, it's gonna happen. I'm going to clarify the Page of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles here. Because there's nothing wrong. It's just about you taking charge and, taking control of the relationship you're asking about. Please, Michael, clarify the Page of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles. Because ऐसा लगता है बाहर के लोगों की बातें सुन रहे हैं, या वो सुन रहे हैं जिनके बारे में आप पूछ रहे हैं. स्लो जा रहा है मामला, वो बाहर engagements में बिजी हैं, या आप बिजी हो गए हैं. Something like that, So let's see. They've asked me to stop. Michael, show me the messages for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Someone loves the red color. You love the red color, or the one you're asking about loves you in red. Either which way. With the Knight of Cups, very warm, kind, pure heart. Someone loves roses here also, lilies also, I feel. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, it's time to take control and take charge, okay? And you could be dealing with, sorry, my throat. So you could be dealing with like an Aries, I think a Capricorn, because Cardinal hai, right? And Earth energy, तो of course, बहुत strong है ही, that we've seen. And yeah, don't be on the defense, 7 of Wands. आप या the other person, don't take that move. Go forward and tell the person that, you know what, you're my happy space. See, Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Do that. I think this is about taking that step forward and telling the person that, you know what, yeah, I see it with you. Don't be at a crossroad and don't be like blindfolded by your own thoughts and everything. सोचो मत, बात करोगे आपको clarity हो जाएगा कि exactly what is missing and why is it missing, right? So it's amazing. 10 of Pentacles, King of Cups, lot of love, lot of emotions, abundance. So let's see what are the notes from the universe we need to see. I think I have a spare card that I need to take out. Let's see what are the notes from the universe. Now, which are the messages from notes from the universe? For Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, you're definitely dealing with an earth sign. They've asked me to stop. Show me the messages, Michael, that I need to see. For my Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. चलो दिलदार चलो, चांद के पार चलो. They're saying हमें तैयार. You just have to call up, and I'm sure that person is going to tell you. वो वेट ही कर रहे हैं कि आप कब कॉल करेंगे और कब वो जाएंगे, और कब this they would start communicating, etc. Find a deeper meaning and personal growth amid the discomfort. ये बहुत uneasy लग रहा है आपको with the 7 of Wands here, and because slow है with the Page of Pentacles, the person is coming in slow, and they know it's all 10 of Pentacles, and the idea is that it's discomfort maybe. Have the faith and see the bigger picture, see the bigger meaning with the 10 of Pentacles, and if need be, you take that step forward and tell the person, okay? Tell the person that it's all okay and all is great. So there's nothing that you need to worry about, okay? My water signs, so if this resonates, give me a like and subscribe, and we're very close to 200 subscribers. Please do like and subscribe it. and I want to really come live, once we hit it. I'm just hoping that we hit it soon, right? So stay home, stay safe, ध्यान रखें और ध्यान रहे कि अपना और अपने loved ones का ध्यान रखें. I'll see you the next time. Until eternity. Bye.